I am back with Daisy on my head. As you can see, the hairline is blah. There is no lace on here. There is no part on here. I'm going to create a part. Going to try because we can't walk around here with Daisy looking like this. Do some tweezing to try to make me a part. So I'm going to take my Fit Me foundation number 360 and see can I create me a little imitation part. Gotta make it do what it can do. Let's see where I put it right here. Gonna take a little bit more. Okay. So we have a little something something there. Oh, Daisy coming alive. Oh my goodness. Daisy is coming to life. Yes, you did that. Created me a part. Just a little something up in here. I'm so excited. There is life for Daisy. We just do what we do over here. She may not be perfect, but we still are slaying. Everything we touch, we slay. That's just how it is. You gotta have that confidence, girls. Always be beautiful, always be confident, always be you, always love you. That's you, girl. Not too much around the hairline. That's why I like this gel because it holds and I don't have to tie her down. We gonna get it. We're gonna get this. And I'm going to tail it just a little bit, curls around my face, right here. Just a little something around my face. Okay, I've finished making my little adult swoops around the hairline. I'm going to go into that part that I created with a little bit more of my Fit Me foundation to define it a little bit more. Because this is created, so we got to camouflage as much as possible. Again, it's not perfect, but she still slay. I think we did pretty good with her for it not having a part, and I created one. So any other foundation that I've gotten onto the hair, I'm going to take my mascara and just go in here to make sure it's not on the hair. I think that part looked real good for it not being there. I created it. So we went from not having a part, no lace, to this. She slay. And this is going to be the finish or the final look. Isn't she beautiful? Gotta pat yourself on the back sometimes, girl. I did that. Yes, I did. And we can create some other little cute styles by pinning up some of the hair. Let's see what we can do here. Let's create another little style. This is style number 2. She is cute and like pull it all to one side and have just one ringlet showing on that one side there. You can play around with it. So Daisy didn't let us down. She is cute. You just gotta tailor it a little bit and work with it. So this is style number 3. She's really cute. And this is the final hairstyle for a daisy. This is going to do it for me, ladies. I don't know if I want my earrings like this or straight. I like it like this so you can see the little bling bling. This is it for me. I hope you enjoy this because I put myself through the test and challenged myself, and I did well. Drop your comments down below. What do you think? Did I do okay with creating a part and tailoring that hairline? Because Daisy was just plain, but she fly now. We slay. She did that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.